During the Amber Heard slander trial, Johnny Depp reached the bottom and pondered, "Is this my life?" This week, Johnny Depp made a triumphant comeback to the spotlight by kicking off the famous Cannes Film Festival with his brand new movie, Jean du Barry. Depp plays the French-speaking King Louis XV in the film, which is being directed by Mon. Just 1 year prior, the 59-year-old actor was enmeshed in a libel trial with his ex-wife, Amber Heard, and miles away from a happy setting. Depp finds it difficult to accept that after a turbulent year, he has returned to the top. "When you reach the very bottom, the very bottom, the very bottom, you find the basement," Depp told the Associated Press. A jury found Heard defamed Depp on all counts after a 6-week trial in Virginia amid accusations of domestic violence and sexual assault, and Depp was given $10.35 million in damages. In June 2022, the experiment came to an end. Heard lost the defamation case, but the jury found that Depp had slandered her through his lawyer, and she was granted $2 million in her countersuit. Confusion is a wonderful word to describe how it all turned out. Befuddled, for the reason that it comes close to being a Bugs Bunny experience, Depp continues. "You question, is this my life? To yourself, what just happened?" The Pirates of the Caribbean actor demanded a $50 million settlement following an opinion piece in the Washington Post in 2018. Heard authored a piece that didn't mention Depp by name but talked about how a prior lover had abused her at home. Heard had countersued for damages in the amount of $100 million. Depp tried to summarize his own scandal as he considered earlier Hollywood scandals. "Never dull but uncomfortable, interesting years. Escapades, allegations and rumors," Depp remarked. Heard submitted a notice of appeal to reverse the judgment less than a month after the decision. "We think the court erred, preventing a just and fair decision in accordance with the First Amendment. Therefore, we are appealing the decision," a representative for Heard at the time stated in a statement. The former couple settled all of their financial claims in December and included a $1 million payment from Heard to Depp. Depp thought of one particular Hollywood star who might have gone sideways following such a challenge and was proud of himself for persevering through a trying moment. Depp stated of Brando, "I don't think Marlon would have survived. I don't believe he was even close to experiencing something like this. He would have gone haywire if he had been around to see it happen. He was going to murder someone. I did observe that people actually opened their mouths about it," Depp said in response to the question of whether he had any reservations about the followers he gained. "That was courageous at the time. I won't regret anything for a second until I've hurt someone badly, which I haven't," said Depp. "I learned so much more about myself during that time that I'm not going to regret being led down a strange road," the speaker said.